Hey, so I just got the Buffy blanket in the mail today, and I'm so excited to open it because sleep is incredibly important to me. So I have been so excited. They keep targeting me in their ads, so I'm like, fine, I'll buy it already. So I bought it, and it just arrived in this super cute box that says Buffy, and then it says content extremely fluffy. So I'm excited about that because if you know me, you know I love sleep. So just gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. I haven't seen many other reviews on it, so I thought I'd put one up. So it says cancel your plans fluffy, and then there's a resting Buffy face sleep mask inside, which is so cool. It's just like a little cotton little sleep mask. I think I snapped at my ear there, so that kind of hurt a little. It's just cute. Should I leave it on? We'll leave it on. Okay, and then there's like a little, whoa! There's like a little ghost sticker. So I'm gonna open that up. Whoa! Okay, that's not gonna work. Open up the sticker. They really package this well, and it smells amazing. So it comes in like a Buffy plastic wrap that says Buffy all over it. And oh, it's like a thick, heavy blanket thing. And if you guys haven't heard of Buffy, basically it's like some sort of super eco-friendly comforter. And I saw it on Instagram. I saw an ad on Instagram. You know me, I love a good ad. I'll buy anything if I get targeted. But I saw it on an Instagram ad, and apparently cotton, who knew, is bad for our environment. So this is made out of like eucalyptus and like plastic water bottles. Don't quote me on that, but pretty sure that's what it said. So I've been super excited, and I hope you like the smell of eucalyptus because I can smell it. And this is already incredibly soft, and I'm so stoked to sleep on this tonight. I got the king size one. We have a huge bed. So it's pretty much just like your standard comforter. It's heavy AF though. Like, geez, I'm getting a workout trying to pick this thing up. It came in the box, and I thought the box was a little skinny, and I was like, oh, maybe this isn't going to be as thick and fluffy as like I'm hoping it is, but it looks like this little wrapper they had it in kind of vacuum sealed it a little. Let's see if there's any details on this that I can tell you guys about. No, not really. It says it's the covering is 80% lyocell, 20% polyester. Fiber fill is 65% polyester, 25% lyocell. So it's kind of what that says. There's not really anything else in here about it. So I'll add something to the description, just all the info that I found about it, but like, it's super soft. I'm so excited to sleep on this. And actually, one of the things that I read, they had like some reviews on their website that people left, and one of the things that they said was there was no sweat while they were sleeping. Like, I think it was a woman who said like, oh, my husband and I slept with this and neither of us got too hot, and there was like no sweat. So I'm definitely excited about that because it's definitely quickly approaching summer, and I still just love to sleep in a big blanket, and it seems like the more AC I have on in the summer, like my body's trying to keep itself warm with all the blankets and AC I have shooting at me. So I feel like I tend to overheat, and I know my husband does as well. So I'm excited about that. Like, definitely want a blanket that has like some natural cooling abilities. But yeah, that's the Buffy blanket. Cancel your plans fluffy. I'm excited to try it out. I'll leave a little bit about it in the description, more about like just how it was on my first night and all the fun things that I've read about it and what it's made out of. Like, I'm pretty sure it said that it's eucalyptus oil. I'm sorry, not eucalyptus oil, eucalyptus plant and recycled water bottles. I don't know, y'all, that sounds a little crazy to me, but I'll leave it in the description so you can read all about it. And yeah, I mean, I'm stoked to try this out. Thank you for watching.